Good morning. It is so early. I really wanted to do a bit of a basically just film me getting up, but I was just so tired. It is about 5:30 in the morning. Got up about 3:30 to be able to get to Manchester Airport because I'm going away for the weekend, and I wanted to obviously share my travels because it is cycling. Of course, would I go away without being able to ride my bike? No, I would not. So just waiting now just to go and get on the plane to go and just checking in really. I say that is my flight, but that is not me that they're shouting because I'm here and I'm waiting and I'm ready. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit and explain more about what I'm doing, where I'm going, and all that fun stuff. Alright, I'm gonna have a little 2-minute nap. It means now we're late getting back onto the connecting flight, so I'm just rushing through security to try and get on my flight. Oh yeah, so I should just say I'm in Brussels now. I didn't get that far, did I? So I landed in Brussels and now flying Brussels to Madrid, and then we'll see all the fun that we're going to have on bikes. It's not actually in Madrid, but I'll tell you more about that later on when we get there.
Je vous souhaite un excellent voyage.
So, just a few 2-hour flight to Madrid. So we are I am in Madrid. I'm just going to go and meet the others now. So, yeah, I'm excited, but it's raining. So let's hope there's some sunshine somewhere. I literally slept both flights. I love just sleeping on planes or buses or trains. I'm generally asleep before takeoff as well, so that is pretty lucky. Right, let's go and find them. It's like we're going onto a rooftop.
It's really raining.
You're right, yeah. But it is raining. How's the weather? Are you finding it?
Beautiful.
It's glorious.
It's just what we hope for. It's,
Right, I'm going to head in.
Follow me. Yeah. For some reason.
Ooh, fancy! Greetings. So it's been a bit of a mad rush. We've just been having a bit of a chat because I'm here with Shimano and we are just going to head out now. We've got some kit on and we're just going to go and head out. It's actually stopped raining, so I am pretty excited. It is dry at least, so yeah, I'm going to take the GoPro because it might rain, so that is what is happening now, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. See you on the bikes. So I was going to take the GoPro. I mean, how cool am I? Shades indoors. The GoPro wouldn't turn on. Oh, did I lock the door? Oh my god. But yeah, so we're going to head out. Can you hear me? I'm in new shoes too. Road shoes, no less. But these might be a little bit big, so... Oh, here he is! The roster!
Ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready. Hello!
Let's do it.
So we're going to go. I'm taking... My GoPro wouldn't turn... What was that?
Nothing.
Robbie.
Let's go.
This is PG rated. Come on.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's roll.
the weather.
If I remember correctly, this is lovely weather.
This is bloody marvellous weather.
Beautiful. Let's go.
We need to get bikes.
I found.
All right, Chris.
I found.
You got overshoes. Oh well.
Yeah, they're a bit big, and I've got big feet. So.
Is this bike for me?
Yes.
What? Oh, all black as well. Come on. I feel like a princess. Cinderella. Cycling Cinderella.
You are, Kitty.
Look at this for treatment. Thanks, Shimano. Look at you two matching. We're all matching, aren't we? Oh, is it coming off? Oh, he's getting the guns out. Oh, Robbie, come on.
These swans can sit. Shut the gates, the cars will escape. Sorry, Chris, I work in a gym, mate. This is just humour.
Wow.
I know, bad humour.
Wow.
That is windy out there.
Is it?
Wind chill. It's cold.
Do we need leg warmers? Oh, we're going to regret it.
I think we will.
So we're currently in a winter wonderland in April. And I just had a panic attack because I couldn't unclip. So I was like, Robbie, I can't. He was like, just try your other one. I was like, I can't. And then I saw this grey and then I had a massive panic. Sorry about that. I had a huge panic. I'm sorry. I'm going to go down in the car, I think, if that's alright. I don't fancy going down. I don't think anyone
particularly will fancy going down at this.
Are they still going up?
I am.
They just still got the bloody cameras on us. They're crying here. I'm having a moment.
I can't lie, I do have chill veins in my hands, and I'm worried because I stood down now my cleats are going to freeze.
I've got one in.
Good effort, Chris.
I'm all worried
It's hard getting stuck in it, I know. They're taking pictures of us, Chris, looking like I'm going to get my foot down there. Is there no other way? I can't get. Okay, I'm going to give you this back before I drop it.
Yeah, I was going to.
Thank you. This is way more fun. So I'm currently now in the back of the van because I'm too scared. I'm not actually that cold, but it's that I'm too scared. Hey!
I'll get a
Do you want a toe? Oh, well done, Chris. Thumbs up.
It's alright, I want to be the last one back, I think it's going to be.
Robbie, what a trooper! What a trooper! Are you okay?
So cold. I just can't warm up because I can't.
He's got my
Right.
jacket on, don't feel too bad for him. You've got the skill, I ain't got the skill to break on that. Well done. Got some nice footage of you. Yay!
Chris, alright?
Yeah. No, he's to say he's cold, he's really cold, same as you.
So cold.
I feel awful because I'm quite warm. Oh, that looks so beautiful, and I feel bad because they're so cold, but wow, that looks epic. Look how big the droplets are, like look at that. So now we're on a bit of a mission to go and collect everyone because we've just swapped vans. So now we're going to go and grab everyone, I think, because it's just so cold. It just got cold all of a sudden, it was just like, what is this?
Oigo ruidos por ahí, me creo que es la esta que no da. Es que tengo que dar la vuelta.
It is an adventure. If nothing else, I'm warmed up now. Are you warm? Oh! Yeah, good. Feeling shorts. Colour on my legs. Oh, hang on, I need to get a key. Oh, it's there. It's okay.